Hello, this is EGK, and we are doing the Nature's Calling event, and I haven't been able to save my progress because the link to my account stopped linking. I don't know what the deal was, so I went to game options. I'm gonna show you real quick, and I went down to accessibility. Nope, went down to other. Where did I go? Now I can't find it. But it said, link the account, and I linked it back. I had to link it again. So maybe because I'm linked, it's not showing. But yeah, so I had to do that. So now I can build the reclaimed wood dining table. So let's go do that. There's the table. Craft furniture. I still can't do it. Maybe I have to be a higher skill. Have good level 5. Oh, shoot. So I gotta do some more. Well, where am I? I am on 4. So I gotta do. So let's build. How about another? Let's build a gnome. I never did a gnome. Gnomes are new, aren't they? Garden of the Gnomexy. Plant gnome. The sweetest little gnome. The gnome wolf. Ooh, there's a lot of gnomes. Wow. Okay. Well, let's start with the first one. Let's do Guardian of the Gnome. Yeah, Gnomexy. Now, and I think the gnome, building the gnomes came with the new pack. The fairy pack, whatever you call it. The nature pack. So, I think you have to have the nature pack to make the gnomes. Good. Make this fast. I got a lot of cats. Can't you tell? Oh, yeah. No. So you have to have level 5 to do the table. Just so you know. And this should take me to level 5. Oh, so close. Let's do a garden. Let's do a bar stool. So close. And of course I'm getting hungry. Okay.